Kysse is a new and cutting-edge filler that was just released recently, and it's a filler that's specifically FDA-approved to treat the lips. So what's so special about Kysse as a dermal filler? Well, in the past, there was no perfect dermal filler. Depending on what we wanted to create with the lips, whether it was increasing the volume, whether it was the height of the lip, whether it was the projection of the lip, whether it was the border of the lip, whether it was the lines in the lip, there was no perfect filler that addressed all those different indications, all those different targets. With Kysse, we now have one filler that can do all those things well. And it creates a very, very natural looking outcome. And that's what patients want. They want to look better, they want to look more youthful, but they don't want to look like anything's been done. With Kysse, we're able to inject the lip in a way and achieve that predictably. Not only do we want the lips to look more youthful and to look more sensual, but we want them to look natural. We want it to look like nothing's been done. It's interesting, when the lips are done well, patients get compliments about their eyes and about their hair and that they look like they've been on vacation. A compliment about the way the lip looks is usually not a good thing. It usually means that too much filler has been injected or it's been done improperly. Good technique means a person just looks more youthful, they just look better, and more importantly, they feel better. How do we achieve that good outcome? Well, using a good filler, a good dermal filler like Kysse, is a big step towards that outcome. Second is making sure that someone that injects the lips has years and years of experience, because it really is an art. It's a talent to achieve the natural outcome. And when a patient meets with a physician and they're talking about having their lips injected, there should be a discussion about the height of the lip, about the proportion of the top lip to the bottom lip, and about the projection of both lips, about the border of the lips and the lines of the lips. Evaluating all these things and targeting them properly is what yields a great outcome. What Kysse has given us is a new and cutting-edge filler that can do all those things fairly well. What's also important to the visual appearance of the lip after injection is the process, how we do it. It takes years of experience to improve the quality of the lip in a way that looks completely natural. But we also want to do it in a way that's very comfortable and in a way that limits the amount of downtime that's required after treatment. One of the things we use is a dermal cannula, which is a blunt little tube that we can use instead of a needle, and that is a less traumatic way, a less uncomfortable way of injecting the lip. It also tends to create less swelling and less bruising, so it's become a favorite of many patients. The second thing is using a filler that doesn't swell a lot. Kysse is one of those fillers. It doesn't absorb a great amount of water, so we find that most patients are able to go right back to their life afterwards, right back to dinner, lunch, see a spouse, and hopefully they won't realize that something's been done. They may say that the patient looks better, they look more youthful, but they can't figure out what has actually happened. That's the sign of a great outcome. Because of the specialization of our practice, we use all the available dermal fillers for the lips and other areas of the face. This may be Juvederm or Restylane or Refined or Defined or Restylane Kysse. And when we sit down during a consultation, it's critical to understand what our patient's goals are, because everybody's goals are different.